Pretty good. So, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is 10 to 5 in the morning, Sunday, 11th of July. The only reason I'd get up for something like this would be for Goodwood Festivalofspeed. It's a two and a bit hour drive, but look at the roads, look. So, gonna vlog some of the day, film a lot of the day and stuff. Car's got, you know, doing this, obviously it's the timed runs and stuff today. Just going to pick Joe up and then we'll be on our way. So about two and a bit hour journey, and then yeah, doors open from 7 and go from there. So I'm going to start the Meg up, let it warm up, then go and pick him up. I can't remember the last time I was up this early on a Sunday. For the condensation, this was clean yesterday. Mad spooky around at this sort of time in the morning when there's just no one around. Literally, I've seen not a single car, single person. No one's just mad to be up. Oh, there's one at this time on a Sunday. I went in 2019 with a couple of boys and it was insane. Rained all day, annoyingly, but we didn't let it stop us, so we just smashed around the whole event. Looked at as much as we could do. Obviously tried to cover as much we can, we could have in a day. So I guess that'll be the same deal as today. I don't know if the numbers are down this time compared to what it normally is because of COVID. So we'll get there, have a little mooch about and see what's going on. Obviously the timed runs today, and obviously all the iconic cars going up. So I'll try and bring as much footage. Not sure if it's going to be a two-parter or whatever, depending on the battery life of the GoPro. But we will try and cover as much as possible and see what's going on there for you, those of you that couldn't make it to the 2021 Festivalofspeed this year. Right, so yeah, we're about 30 miles away or so now, so we should get there by 7:20. The journey's been pretty much boring other than having a couple of dugs on the way. But yeah, been not much to film, so 7:20 we're looking like we're going to get there, and then we're going to get parked up and have a little waltz around because we're not allowed actually into the place until about 8:30. So catch up with you when we get there. So I guess it was meant to do a COVID test and definitely didn't get the mail, the email. Pretty good. So now we've got to stand here and do some lateral flow tests. Long.
One eternity later.
Right, we're in. We're both neg. Let's have it off. We're in, boys. YOLO the grandstand as well. Kill up. Is it a restaurant?
I've never heard that one.
Nah. It's unbelievable thing, look at that.
Have flown beneath the radar on what feels with three Mclaren associated with a long choose technology. Wet racing finally gets back underway as a
PDK box and manual.
That's gangster, man. Just run your fingers over it.
Yeah, now, this one on the start line, this is a very special car indeed. Yes. It is, isn't it?
This is sick.
GT2 RS MR, manual box.
Touring, isn't it?
Yeah, go on then.
Look at them seats, man.
Porsche technology.
There's that rim, Mac. Right there. 1900 horsepower.
Hi Shmi, I'm Guys. Cheers, 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 cheers.
As they say, but the way it's been written by Miroslav Jurnovic shows the power and also shows how.
Look at this. Oh, mate. Look at this. What an absolute ting. What is it? Vantage. Oh, look at this. F1 edition. Size of them discs. Carbon ceramics as well.
New cars, new little tweaks.
Look at this, mate. Up, boys. We are at Electric Avenue. Your mum.
It's an exposure.
Look at this.
Rear end of this, XPJ. This is only 780 brake.
Oh, 780.
Look at this. This on that.
Oh, mate, look at them, eh? Look at that.
Yeah, alright. Was it BMW?
Decent. Get real. Nice colour, though. Top of the ring, there she is. Nice colour.
Don't let that bad now. Turn it up.
Hey?
Toyota GR86s go up, but the two, well, that's summed up very nicely on the front, so that's very BMWs again.
Wheels are nice as well, man. Yeah, no, I was going to say, you jumping on. It's a madness. Mate. Facing there. What's doing up there? Health and safety. Wait, at least there's less numbers here this year, isn't it?
Yes, reduced capacity.
Reduced capacity, mate. How many?
74 grand, you sure?
Oh, it's only 37 grand, do you want it?
Yeah.
That's so sick, though. Yeah, mate. See, mate. Is it? Yeah. Brand new Golf R. I think it's low. Carbon K brace.
You just pulled up and said, "Here you go."
Manuel.
Hello, Jonathan. I didn't want to interrupt the program. Sorry. Sorry. 15 kilo. Yeah, whenever.
The 911 line is very designed show about the depot.
This thing is insane. It's insane. I was just saying, I think this is one of the best things here today. Just the noise of it.
Really authentic, faithful to the materials and the craftsmanship inside.
Previous year, Porsche 911, whichever shape or iteration the same.